Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again with a quick comparison between the Blink Mini camera and the Blink Indoor camera. Both of these are Wi-Fi connected security cameras that are incredibly easy to set up anywhere inside your home you need to monitor a specific area. Both cameras provide a high definition 1080p video feed to your phone as a live stream, or can be recorded to a local thumb drive on the sync module or uploaded to the cloud for review later on. Both cameras also provide two-way audio capabilities as well as motion detection that will immediately start recording any motion in front of the camera and alert you that there's motion happening. They also provide day and night recording as well, with infrared illuminators that light up a dark room so you can actually capture footage. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll provide the specifications for both cameras, and then I'll come back one more time and try to summarize the differences between these two Wi-Fi connected Blink cameras. The Blink Mini is a smaller camera that can be used indoors and provides 1080p high definition video. It also has two-way audio and infrared motion detection that will start recording and alert you when motion is sensed in front of the camera. It uses a wall charger power supply that you can plug into any standard wall outlet and will operate for as long as it's plugged in. It also provides both daytime recording and night vision, and is Alexa enabled, so it can be used with all of your Amazon Smart products. The Blink Indoor is a slightly larger camera that offers the advantage of portability because it's powered by two AA lithium batteries that will allow the camera to operate on average for about 2 years before those batteries need to be changed. It provides the same 1080p high definition video as the Blink Mini, as well as two-way audio and motion detection. It also has night vision and will record beautiful daytime footage. It's Alexa enabled and has another added advantage of temperature monitoring of the room where it's positioned. I hope those specifications were helpful, and now I'd like to summarize the differences between the Blink Mini camera and the Blink Indoor camera. But before I talk about what's different, let's talk about what's similar. Both cameras provide a high-definition 1080p video feed that you can either view in real time on your phone, or you can record to a thumb drive on the Sync 2 module, or even upload to the cloud so you can review it later on if needed. Both cameras provide motion detection that utilizes the latest PIR detection, which is an infrared signal that will sense motion anywhere in front of the camera and immediately start recording and save that to the thumb drive or up to the cloud and alert you that there's motion in front of the camera. Both of them provide two-way audio, which can be very convenient to speak to somebody in the room and listen to what they have to say. Both cameras also have day and night recording. They have infrared illuminators inside that will light up a room with infrared light and give you a very nice view of that room even in total darkness. Now, the differences between them are fundamentally the fact that this one is plugged into a wall outlet, so it can run continuously and you never have to worry about changing batteries. With the Blink Indoor, it runs on two AA lithium batteries, which provide about 2 years of use, but the advantage of having a battery-powered camera is that you can move it anywhere in your home you need to. So you can have it in the foyer, move it into the kids' room, move it into the playroom, and it's going to work just fine as long as you're still within your Wi-Fi range. One other advantage for the Blink Indoor is the fact that it has a temperature sensor inside that will monitor the temperature in the room, and you can set an alert based on that temperature to let you know that it's too hot or too cold in that room. Other than that, they both work really well, and they're part of the Blink ecosystem, which makes it really easy to add as many cameras as you need to a sync module, up to 10, and then you can add more sync modules if you need to. Both of them provide a very easy security system for the average consumer to set up, and they'll do a great job in your home to keep an eye on an area that you'd like to monitor. And that's pretty much all I had, so hopefully you found this review helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.